Alright, so this is the Rode Wireless Pro. So I've been using this mic every day to make my content for quite a while already. So it's been a great mic, still in excellent condition. But I think time for a new one. Okay, so this is the DJI Mic 3 and let's unbox this. Oh, fancy. This is actually very nice. Comes with a tag, makes it look like a fancy toiletries pouch. So guys, remember, do not eat. Do not eat this. It's a pretty nice pouch. You can see that there is zippered compartment. Other compartments put other things. So this is a USB-C cable. This is a nicely coiled locking 3.5mm. Locking, coiled. I love dead cats. Dead cats are always on my mics because you never know when the wind is coming. So you get two sets, black when you're in Siberia. So I think we just see which one matches our outfits more. And this is the mic. So these are the magnets. So guys, be careful of these magnets. Do not eat them. Do not let them near your kids because they are very strong and it's not good to swallow them. Alright, so this is the mic. Comes in a kind of plastic case. Remove this first. And here it is. So once you open it, it's already powered on. So it's so small. The DJI Mic 3 unboxing. So this is the DJI Mic 3 and this is how it sounds. And the case feels a little bit cheap. It's already been scratched a little bit, but I guess you'll get more scratches to come. So I like the Rode because the case is very robust. It's hard, but you can see that the Rode is a lot larger than the Mic 3's case. It's very chunky, it's very thick. I think this fits in your camera bags more easily. It's also nicer, pops open like this, and the transmitter is super small. So you can compare the difference in the sizes between the Rode and the DJI. So the only reason why I got this is that I wanted something a little bit smaller to use on body with the internal mics. And I didn't want to actually use any left mics with this because if I want to use left mics, I think this sounds better, this is better. This also has 32-bit float, this has timecode. And now that I have 4 devices, 4 recorders, they can record timecode. I can finally do a podcast with 4 people with perfectly synced audio. So if you like this unboxing and if you like the sound of the DJI, you can buy a DJI. If you like the Rode, then just buy the Rode. Okay, see you guys.